Floodwaters have hit New South Wales with hundreds of people forced to leave their homes.
Everything we'd worked so hard for so long had literally just gone up in smoke.
In partnership with Street Smart Australia, Sheridan's SleepSafe initiative provides sleep kits to those at risk or experiencing homelessness. Each sleep kit contains a towel, a set of sheets and a pillowcase, providing someone much-needed comfort during a crisis. It also eases the financial burden on homeless charities. This year, we're aiming to reach our goal of 20,000 sleep kits. Help us turn a moment in need into a moment of care.